Yes, how are you?
I am fine, very well. What about you?
I'm very well, thank you. I was just setting the recording. That's why I told you
No
I would.
problem at
Yeah,
all.
that's why I told you that I would call you in 1 minute. Okay, so I was just
Yeah,
busy in
yeah.
setting it up, the screen, which was to be recorded. Okay.
I got it. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. So it is now being recorded.
yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Hmm.
So, today we will talk about only spoken English, not grammar, not sentences,
Hmm.
and not everything. Only we will talk on a topic which belong to spoken English.
Okay. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. So let me know something about your country. Of course,
Okay.
that
So my
country,
country
that
has,
of course,
as you already know, my country has a lot of problem about corruption. My leadership is all corrupted, so that's why my country goes down day by day
hmm.
uh, because of our corrupt leadership. You know, we have only one leader. His name is Imran Khan.
Hmm.
Maybe you might know about him.
Yes, yes, I know and I like him. Actually, he's a good man.
Yeah, yeah. And
Hmm.
the other all leaders are not good for us because they want to make money and they want to send money abroad country, unlike America, like Dubai, and so on. So that's why our country is goes up, goes down, not up. So my
You
country situation is very bad, not as good.
you should use abroad. Don't say abroad countries.
Abroad,
Yeah,
abroad.
abroad means don't speak
Yeah,
country.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, only abroad. Okay.
Abroad. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Got it.
So you can
So
say yes.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, me.
I
You
can
can
say what?
say the my country. You can say my country has been in. You can say my country has been in very bad condition. Even mean after independence, because the people actually the leaders who ruled or who were in government there, they had been corrupted, they have been corrupted. They never paid any attention to the progress of the country or to the progress of the common men or common people, because they were busy in earning or accumulating money by unfair means. And
Oh,
they means collected, they means received or accumulated that money by unfair means, and they deposited that money into Swiss bank. Means they are not actually, means they were not attentive to the country, they didn't take care of the country, and only the one person is there. I think he is loved or he is appreciated by the public of Pakistan, and that man is Imran Khan, because he is an honest man. He really wants to do something for the country. Even I have heard, I have watched, I am telling you about myself, I have watched his some of the videos on Facebook and internet, that he means had a campaigning to collect some money from the people to build a hospital, I think. And he
yeah,
collected,
cancer hospital.
yeah, so he collected that money from people all around Pakistan. So I know that he is really a good man, and he really wants to do. And okay, so that's all. That was from, I spoke on behalf of you.
Yeah, that's good. And he was a cricketer. He was captain of Pakistan
I know he
before.
was a captain. Yeah, he was a captain of
Yeah,
Pakistan. He was a very good captain. He was a very good player. He was a very good
yeah,
all-rounder. He was a very good bowler. And I know that he won the World Cup 1992.
yeah. You know about him very well.
Because actually I watched that World Cup.
Oh, you watch it, but we didn't watch because I was child at that time. Because I am now 27 years old. That's why I didn't watch.
But I watched it.
That's good.
I watched it in 1992. The Imran
Okay.
was the captain, and he won that World Cup 1992.
Yeah, yeah.
And
And
India won in 1983 and in 2011.
2011. Yeah. I know. India won the semi-final from Pakistan.
Yes.
I know.
And that is, you can say, a coincidence that Pakistan couldn't win any match in World Cup with India.
Yeah,
Yeah.
from India. Yeah.
They lost
I
all
know.
the matches against India in World Cup.
Yeah, Pakistan lost all the matches and World Cup from India.
Yes. Okay, so go ahead. Let me know something
Okay.
about education system in your country. Are you satisfied with it? Or do you, if you suppose get an opportunity, what changes? What changes you would
Yeah,
like to bring to the education system in Pakistan?
well, nowadays there in Pakistan as education system is very good because of Imran Khan. There in KPK, Peshawar, maybe you might heard that name. Peshawar.
Yes, I know this is a city. I know.
Yeah, there is a the all authority Imran has there KPK. He is and the government of province KPK province. So that's why there is education system is very good because of Imran Khan. Uh, so before there wasn't education system good when we studied used to study, we used to go to school that time, but now education system is very good for our brothers, for our younger brothers, for our younger sister, but we didn't have that opportunity at that time because that time uh, the government system wasn't good, and nowadays is very good.
I tell you one thing, what I understood about
Okay.
Pakistan.
Mhm.
Actually, even some of the good leaders in Pakistan, some politicians, some of the ladies, I have actually seen them speaking in parliament, in Pakistan parliament. One of the lady
Yeah.
was some Khan, I didn't remember the name. She was the politician in parliament there in Pakistan, and she was actually crying, speaking. She was crying in parliament. She is from Pakistan.
Mhm.
She is the politician there. वो
Mhm.
MP होता है ना, member of parliament. She was that, and she
Yeah.
was crying. She was shedding her tears, and she was requesting the speaker Miss, I would like to speak some of the words in Hindi or Urdu कि क्यों ये नफरतें फैला रहे हो? Why you are going to do all that? Me have some peace with India and all, and just pay attention to the education and all. Me why don't you uplift the livings of the common people? Me she was crying that I am the grandmother of children, my children, but I don't see that you have done anything for the country. और उसने ये भी बोला I am ashamed of saying that I am Pakistani. में बहुत उसको दर्द था, you can say. She was speaking there, and but I think she was the honest politician, and that's why she was speaking like that. She was speaking in English and Urdu both, and she was educated also. So what I mean to say, actually, you know, the problem, some of the good people are there in Pakistan who really want to do something good for the, even, you know, I know some of the young boys there, they're making money through internet and all. They are really very talented people, but you know, but they are not given any opportunity by the public, by the government and all to go ahead. I mean, they have no sources to develop themselves. They are developing themselves by themselves only. I mean, they don't get, actually, you know, the facilities from the government to develop themselves. They are living, they're poor. Actually, they have no sources to develop themselves. And it's government. Actually, you know, government doesn't have the system to provide facilities and the basic requirement to each and everyone. That is the problem. You know,
you are absolutely right.
This is the problem. If the government should have a system where, if they make any policy, you know, that means everyone, each and every person, even the last man in the society, should be benefited by the policy after implementation, you know. But what is happening, only the first few people who are standing at the front, they are benefited by the policy of the government. And government's officers, they are not honest to implement that policy. I mean, they don't want to develop. They want to develop themselves. This is the problem. And one more thing I observed, that, you know, Pakistan, you know, some of the leaders, even Nawaz Sharif, may be good or bad, I don't know much about him, but he is not that much bad actually as he is considered. Because, you know, of course he has accumulated money and all, he has got accounts in Swiss Bank. Even Imran Khan told that. You have got money there and all. Even I have heard Imran Khan many times on videos, and Imran Khan was even praising Narendra Modi. You know, he was telling Nawaz Sharif. He was telling Nawaz Sharif, you learn something from Narendra Modi, Mr. Nawaz Sharif, you learn something. He is doing everything for the country, and you are doing for your family. Like that.
He said many times like that.
He's a
actually, you know, there in India, many friends of Nawaz Sharif living there in India, and Nawaz Sharif sugar mills has many people which belong to India, engineer, labor, everything. Now Pakistan figure out about Nawaz Sharif, so maybe 30% people are working in Nawaz Sharif mills, and the Nawaz Sharif mills, only 30% people working from Pakistan, and 70% working from India. You know that?
I don't know that. Maybe Actually, they are leaders. They can do anything. Anything is
Yeah,
possible for them. So,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, so he may be doing, I don't know that. But the second problem is also there with Pakistan. That Pakistan, mean
Mhm.
their army,
Yeah, yeah,
Pakistan army is not controlled by the government. Army is
yeah.
independent there. This is the problem. When
This
army
is
is
the big
controlled
problem.
by the country, then because actually the army of Pakistan doesn't want to have peace. This is the problem.
Doesn't want to have peace.
Yes, they want to create problems, between India and
They want to
Pakistan.
create problems.
Yes, because you know or you don't know. I am not sure about it. But if you
Mhm.
go and search, you will find that the Pakistani army officers, they are millionaire
Mhm.
there. They are millionaire. They have got land. They have got big houses, farmhouses in Pakistan. You go and search. You will come to
Yeah,
know
yeah, yeah.
that
You are right.
they are very
You are
rich.
right. I know about it.
They are very rich because they get money from other sources, and they
Yeah,
want to keep creating problems between India and Pakistan at the border. They don't want peace. If they create peace or if they maintain peace, their importance will be lost. I mean, they won't be considered important, or there won't be any importance
yeah,
of
yeah,
that.
yeah,
This is the problem. And army is not controlled by Nawaz Sharif there. Even Nawaz
yeah,
Sharif
yeah.
wants to have good relation with India, but but the army doesn't want that. Even when Nawaz Sharif came to India, they didn't like it. Army
Yeah,
didn't
they
like it.
didn't like that. Eh?
Army, even some of the groups there like Hafiz, what is the name of that? Hafiz Saeed and all. They people are
Yeah,
not
yeah,
good actually. Hafiz Saeed and all. You see, the children of Hafiz Saeed, they're studying in foreign countries. You
yeah,
just try to understand. The children of Hafiz Saeed, they're studying outside, out of
yeah,
Pakistan. They are getting
yeah.
education. They are doing business. They are making good money. But Hafiz Saeed actually dares the Pakistani poor young men to be terrorists or to do bad things. This is the problem.
This is the big problem. Yeah, I got it. You know Zakir Naik?
Yes, I know.
Zakir Naik is very big man. You
But
know?
he may be, but he is not considered good here in India. You know,
Uh, I don't know about it, but I only know he is the biggest mufti in
but
the world.
he is Bhagoda from India. इंडिया
Yeah,
से
he
भाग
is
गया
from
है।
India.
या ही इज फ्रॉम इंडिया, बट इंडिया से भाग गया है वो, पता है आपको? इंडिया में उसकी सारी प्रॉपर्टीज जब्त कर ली है गवर्नमेंट ने। ही इज अंडरग्राउंड दिस टाइम।
When?
ही हैज बीन अंडरग्राउंड फॉर 1 year।
For 1 year. Now, where is he living nowadays?
मे बी इन सऊदी और समवेयर, आई डोंट नो, but he is
Mm.
not considered good by Indians, even Indian Muslims.
Mm.
Yes, and I tell you, some of the Pakistanis, they have got Indian citizenship because they want to stay in India because they think this is the peaceful country for the Muslim. Even you know Pakistan is Islamic state, Islamic country, but still the condition of Muslims are not good there. But
Yeah.
India, you see, India is a secular country, but anybody who may be from any community, Muslim, Sikh, or Christian, they all are safe here. They all are living happily here. Even the Indian Muslims, they are very happy. They have got jobs in government. They have power. even they are political leaders. They have power here. You know, do you know that
Yeah,
or
I
not?
know it.
So
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
why,
yeah.
and you know, the some of the actor and actress from Pakistan, they work here in India. There even some of the singers from Pakistan, they work here in India because India has a big heart. Come, enjoy here, no
Yeah.
problem.
No
Enjoy,
problem at all.
no problem. Enjoy. Earn money if you can, no problem.
Uh,
So you see, but you know, we love Tariq Fateh. Do you know the name Tariq Fateh?
Tariq,
Tariq Fateh.
Tariq Fateh, I don't know.
He is a very good man, very nice man. He's from Pakistan, but he's loved by Indians. Do you know
That's good.
that? And
I
he,
don't know about him. That's why I
but you
don't know.
know, but the Pakistani doesn't like him.
Pakistani doesn't like him.
Yeah, Pakistanis don't like him, but he is loved by Indians. All Muslim, Hindus, all. Tariq Fateh.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Why Indian people don't want to be a president of Muslim religion? What's the reason?
No, how can you say that? Even vice president is Muslim, Hamid Ansari.
President or prime minister.
Maybe. Actually, this is democracy. You
Yeah, I
cannot say,
know.
but you know
But
one
why
thing.
they don't want?
No. This is not the reason, and I don't agree with this. Actually, the people, they are elected by the people, and if they come at that position, they become, no problem. Even the president, Abdul Kalam.
Abdul Kalam, yeah.
Dr. Abdul Kalam was the president of India. Do you know that?
No, I don't know
Then you
that he
search
was
on
a president of
then
India.
you search on internet and you will come to know Dr. Abdul Kalam was the president of India, and he is respected and he is honored by the Indians. Not by Indians, by the world. He was a scientist also. He created missiles for India. You know Dr. Abdul Kalam, he is no more.
Abdul Kalam, I heard her name, but his name, but I don't know exactly him.
When you search on internet, he was the president of India for 5 years. How can you say
5 years.
So you cannot blame that no Muslim is there on that post.
I know, but I heard from one Indian here. I have in my school one Indian, and he is Muslim. He said, India people don't want to be a president, a prime minister of Muslim religion. I said why? He said, he don't like
Actually,
that.
if he is Indian and he is Muslim, he is a stupid man. He is a stupid man. You
He
you
belonged
just
to
ask him.
Utopia. Utopia.
You ask him to talk to me.
Okay.
If he is an Indian and if he is talking about, or if he is talking like that, he is stupid actually.
Yeah, maybe. And army. He shared one video. He said, here in India we don't have anything to eat. We don't have any facility. And he shared one video. You maybe you watched that video too,
I know,
right?
I know. Yes.
Yeah, he is not Muslim, but he is disturbed from Narendra Modi. He said we don't have any facilities here and army, and we don't have anything to eat. We don't have anything. We didn't have money, and he said like that. He exposed India, and you know about it, maybe.
I know actually, but he has been suspended from army. You know that.
I
I
don't know.
he has
I
been
only
turned.
watched one video.
Actually, he has been turned out of the army. उसको निकाल दिया आर्मी से.
निकाल दिया.
हाँ, निकाल दिया.
उसने क्यों ये वीडियो बनाया था, क्या बात था?
Actually, who knows the truth? Actually,
I don't know.
it's very difficult to know the truth. Whether he is speaking truth or the officers are speaking truth, it's very difficult to know because India is a very big country. India is India is a very big country. So of course problems are also there always. One or the other problems are always there. So we have to deal with all the problems, and these are the problems. They come, they are exposed, and they are solved, they are resolved. So it's life actually. But of course the way actually he adopted to lodge a complaint was absolutely wrong, because when you make any video about your country, about your army, then it goes viral, and the people from other countries also watch it, like Pakistanis, like Bangladeshis, and the people who understand Hindi or Urdu, they watch it. So it actually brings disgrace to the country. It is not good for the country. So the way actually he adopted, that was wrong.
That was wrong.
And on duty, no soldier is allowed to take their mobile with them. But he took his mobile with him on duty, and he made that video.
Oh.
That was against law.
That was against law, yeah, I know.
Means if you are not allowed to take your mobile on duty, why did you take mobile? And you made.
But actually, he exposed India army and India government. Actually,
actually by one, on the basis of any one issue, you cannot decide the whole community.
Yeah.
Try to understand. Of course, this is the problem with that soldier. Of course, it may be with him or it may not be, I don't know. But it doesn't mean that you cannot blame the whole army for that. If suppose, here in India, suppose any Muslim, if he is caught for committing some crime or something, suppose, if he is caught and he is jailed or means whatever, means he is punished by the law. Now, it doesn't mean the whole Muslim community is bad or corrupted. Means, or suppose some Hindus, they commit some crime, you cannot blame the whole Hindu community is bad or corrupted. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So it's actually, if we see the things in that way, we cannot make good decisions. Something may be good, something may be bad. This is life, it goes like that.
Yeah, it goes like that. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. But now I want to know something more about one sentence. Most of the time, and we also use for things, for example, pronoun they. We can also use for cats, animals, they.
Actually, I tell you, for animals, for birds, for weather, we must use it. Or for children, animals, birds, children, and even for you, for human being, we can use it. So
When it's single, then,
yes.
but when they're plural,
You
then
can,
we can use they, right?
yeah, you can use they, sometimes these, you can use those, no problem.
There we can use.
Yeah, you can use these sometimes. You can use those, no problem. It sometimes you can use they.
Maybe we will use these when something near to us, right?
Yes.
And those when
This,
something
this,
is far.
yeah, this, that,
Yeah,
this,
that.
that.
These, those.
Yes.
But they, because I watched a video yesterday, and she says these are they are cats. They are cats.
Hmm.
And he said they are apples. So is it correct or incorrect?
They are apples.
Yeah, they are apples.
Absolutely wrong.
Absolutely wrong.
Yes.
Those are apples is right, right?
Yes. You can't
Those
say
are,
they are apples. How can you say that? It's wrong.
yeah, it's totally wrong. That's why I'm asking you.
No, it's wrong. वो कोई आदमी थोड़ी है, एप्पल आदमी थोड़ी है कि आप बोल दो कि दे आर एप्पल्स, दे आर डांसिंग. हाउ कैन यू से दैट?
Yeah. We can use for animals, right? They.
Yes. For animals, for children, for birds, you can use.
Okay.
But I think
So
in my
most of the
opinion-
time.
No. But in my opinion,
Uh,
instead of using they
they.
for animals and for birds, we must use these and those. That is better. Or if they are singular, we must use it. We should not use they for animals. I think this is my opinion. If you are using they for animals, I don't think it is 100% correct. It is wrong.
Yeah. Okay, so when something near to us, then we will use it. When something is far away from us, then we will use those. Then we will use that for singular, for animals, right? That.
Yes.
Is that correct?
That or this, yes, you can use.
And these and those
Yes.
for animals, especially.
Yes, you can use.
Okay, so now I have a doubt about most of the time. Most of the time, what actually it means in Urdu. Most of the time.
So what are you asking?
Most of the time, यानी ज़्यादातर वक़्त.
हाँ ठीक है ना. तो what do you want to know about it?
बस I have a doubt. That's why I asked you.
Most of the time means suppose I say most of the time I like to learn something new from internet.
ज़्यादातर वक़्त मैं कुछ सीखना चाहता हूँ इंटरनेट से.
Yes.
And most of the student and most of the people,
ज़्यादातर लोग,
and mostly people.
Mostly people नहीं कह सकते आप.
अच्छा.
Mostly means वही ज़्यादातर उसका मतलब है, but it is in the form of adverb. Like I learn English instead of mostly, actually you should say most of. I think
Most of
the time.
Oh.
Yes, because actually
Okay.
mostly is not very commonly used.
Yeah, I know. And almost and about.
Yeah,
It's
about,
different.
as I told you earlier, about, like tell
Yeah.
me about yourself, let me know.
Yeah,
about you.
And
Almost means not 100%, but less than 100%. Like
takriban.
takriban, yes. Takriban,
Yeah,
yes, you
that's good.
can.
And we can also use about for takriban, right?
Yes, I am about to go. I am about to go.
मैं जाने वाला हूँ या तकरीबन जाने वाला हूँ.
हाँ, yes. अभी गया नहीं हूँ मैं, पर जाने वाला हूँ. हाँ.
Yeah.
It is about to be 7 o'clock. मतलब 7 बजने वाले हैं. बजे नहीं है.
It is about 7 o'clock.
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
Yes. मतलब बजने वाले हैं. It is about to be 7 o'clock. But it's not 7 o'clock yet.
अगर हम किसी को बोलते हैं ना कि आपका कोई दोस्त होगा उससे पूछो या उसको बुलाओ, आपका कोई दोस्त होगा उससे बुलाओ, तो हम ऐसे बोलेंगे anyone of your friend call him, right?
देखो होगा जब भी होता है ना possibility, strong possibility, we should use must. So you must be having a friend. तुम्हारा दोस्त जरूर होगा कोई ना कोई. You must be having a friend. Ask him.
Okay, you must be having a friend. Ask him.
Yes.
Okay. Instead of must, we can also use you will be a friend. Ask him. It's wrong, right?
It's wrong.
Okay.
Will be तो future में हो गया ना. It is future. But you are talking about present. कि होगा. Like we say that girl must be Punjabi.
Yeah. ये जरूर पंजाबी होगी.
मतलब आप just you imagine by her look, by her dress, you think अरे यार ये लड़की तो पंजाबी होनी चाहिए या होगी. That girl must be Punjabi. That man must be a Pathan. That man must be a Pathan. Like that. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and you know about me, what I am going to do before Ramzan. You know about me?
I don't know anything. How can I know anything about you until you tell me?
Okay. I am going to tell you right now.
Yes.
I am going to Pakistan before Ramazan. Okay. So when I will get Pakistan, then I'll contact you.
I will get to.
Yeah.
I will get to Pakistan. पहुंचूंगा.
I will get to Pakistan, then I will contact you.
But you know one
by
thing,
email.
the people, I tell you one thing. But when the people they go back to Pakistan, they are lost in Pakistan. Are you getting my point?
I already got your point, but you know, actually, I will not get anything. But I will learn something from there because my wife is studying MSc at university, so that's why I will talk to her in English and I will get better. I think so.
Okay, it's okay. You must take care of everybody in your home. I have no problem with that. But what I say, actually, I have no problem with anybody. You know, because it's your life, it's my life. I am not, of course, if you want me to have some concern with it, I may be concerned with it. But you know what I mean to say, most of the students from Pakistan who have been actually residing out of the Pakistan, like means they're in Saudi Arabia or somewhere, when they learn English with me, and they go back to their country, Pakistan. They're lost there.
Everything.
No. They lost.
Ah.
They forget everything or anything else. Like you can take the example of Mehmanullah.
Mehmanullah.
Yeah, he disappeared.
He didn't contact you yet?
No, he disappeared.
Disappear, or he is not thinking about learning.
I don't know. In fact, actually, there is always a rule for everybody: out of sight, out of mind. मीन्स जब आप लोगों से दूर हो जाते हो तो लोग आपको भूल जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
आउट ऑफ साइट, आउट ऑफ माइंड. आप एक बार दूर गए तो भूल जाएंगे लोग आप.
अच्छा, अभी मैं आपसे जो है ना उर्दू में बात करूंगा. ये थोड़ा सा टिप्स तो हमें दे दे कि हाउ कैन आई इम्प्रूव my listening skills, and how can I improve my speaking skills. So just suggest.
Actually, listening skill can be enhanced by listening only.
Enhance and increase.
Enhance means और उसको improve करना, develop करना,
बढ़ाना. यानी
बढ़ाना, उसमें 4 चांद लगाना.
बिल्कुल.
तो if you want to develop your listening power, if you want to enhance your capability of listening, you have to listen to English as much as you can. Similarly, if you want to speak English, if you want to be in practice of speaking, you have to speak a lot. The more you speak, the better you can speak. The more you listen, the better you can listen. Simple formula. When you want to be an expert at something, start doing it. If you want to be a good runner, then start running in the morning every day. Right? And one day you will be an expert runner. If you want to be if you want to be an expert driver, you have to drive a lot. You'll be. And if you want to be a good speaker, speak a lot. So this is the thing.
I got it. But it means it's very important to listen a lot.
Yes.
If anybody want to improve their speaking English, their spoken English, so they have to listen a lot, right? Like me.
Yes. You have to listen, you have to speak, you have to read, you have to write.
That's good. So should I make long sentences or small?
Actually, in the beginning you should make small, but later if you think that now you are an expert in making long sentences, you can make long sentences.
Yes.
But I always want you to make small sentences.
Small sentences.
Don't make long. Until or unless it's really very necessary. Otherwise.
So, as you said already, similarly, what does it mean actually in Hindi?
Similarly means
इसी तरह.
Yes.
इसी तरह, at the same way. इसी तरह.
In the same manner. In the same manner.
The same way. At the same
manner.
manner.
In the same
At the
manner.
same manner. Okay, okay, okay. Manner अंदाजे को नहीं बोलते, अंदाजे को.
हाँ.
Manner.
नहीं, मैनर अलग चीज है. सेम मैनर मतलब करने का तरीका, मैनर.
अच्छा, मैनर.
कोई मैनर मतलब काम को करने का तरीका.
अच्छा, ये जो समटाइम ये इंग्लिश स्पीकर बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश समटाइम डजंट मेक एनी सेंस, सो व्हाट डज इट मीन इन हिंदी?
डजंट मेक एनी सेंस मतलब इसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं निकल रहा. आप फालतू की बात करते हो. इसका मतलब ये है.
सेंस मतलब का के लिए यानी
मतलब उसका कोई मतलब तो निकले.
सही,
कोई मतलब ही नहीं निकल रहा.
हाँ, सही बात है. बिल्कुल, मुझे भी ये पता था कि ऐसा ही है, क्योंकि हमें पता होता है. बहरहाल हम पूछने इसलिए पड़ते हैं कि हमें पहली दफा वो सुनने को पड़ता है ना, तो इसलिए हम जो है ना फ्लुएंटली के साथ नहीं बोल सकते, हम डाउटफुल होते हैं ना उसमें, इसलिए मैं आपसे पूछा.
हाँ, इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम.
तो आपको मालूम है भी कि मैं पाकिस्तान जा रहा हूँ, वहां पर मैं इंटरनेट का जो हालात है चेक करूंगा. अगर इंटरनेट होगा सही, मैं आपको कॉल करूंगा. अगर हमारी बात हो सकी वहां से क्लियर जैसी यहाँ से होती है, क्योंकि वहां पर इंटरनेट का थोड़ा सा मसला होता है. अगर हमारे क्लासेस चलते रहे तो चलो फिर हम वहां से आपको जो है ना डिपॉजिट कर देंगे. ठीक है?
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम.
सो अच्छा, जो शुरू में से स्मॉल स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस बना के फिर आगे बंदा जो है ना बड़े सेंटेंस बनाए.
Yes. In the beginning you must start with the small sentences and later you can make them little bigger, no problem. You should be confident making grammar, sentence structure and all. And whether it is right or wrong, you should be sure of it कि जो भी बना रहे हो आप वो सही है कि नहीं. And once if you think that you are an expert in making small sentences, then you can go for bigger or longer sentences, no problem.
If I make small sentences for 6 months, so what do you think I will be able to make long sentences after that?
Actually, there is no time limit for anybody, because everybody has got his or her own abilities, capabilities, strength and grasping power and all. So all these factors are there, which are to be considered before framing any time limit for anybody, that may you will be an expert within that much time. Nobody can actually claim. Nobody can claim that you will be an expert in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. It depends totally on you. As I told you, lot of factors like your strength, your grasping power, your abilities, capabilities. All these things are very, very important for a person to be an expert. And how much time that person is going to take to be an expert.
Yeah.
That all depends on that.
Okay, no problem. I'll try my best and इंशाल्लाह मैं वहां से जो है ना जाऊंगा, तो मैंने जैसे आपको बताया कि मैं इंटरनेट का हालात चेक करूंगा, क्योंकि अगर वहां से मसला बन जाए हमारे लिए और ये इंटरनेट सही ना हो तो हमारे तो क्लास नहीं लग सकती है ना. तो हमारा जो इलाका,
you'll be back to Saudi
after 2 months.
Tabhi chhutti ho me, you are going to have fun with your family.
Yeah.
Family के साथ टाइम बिताएंगे अभी आप.
हाँ बिल्कुल. तो 2 महीने के बाद जब मैं आऊंगा वो तो फिर यहाँ से फिर स्टार्ट होगा। 2 महीने में जो है ना मैं थोड़ा सा काम करूंगा। ये अगर क्लास लगते रहे तो ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर मैं वही स्मॉल सेंटेंस के ऊपर जो है ना फोकस दूंगा। इसलिए मैंने आपसे ये टिप्स लिए कि मैं क्या करूं कि ये स्मॉल सेंटेंस से बनाऊं और कैसे उसको यूज करें, क्योंकि यूट्यूब के ऊपर जो वीडियो है वो तो हम देखेंगे, वो तो
देखते रहिए। आज भी अभी एक नया वीडियो बस तैयार कर रहा हूँ मैं, वो मैंने बनाया है यूजिंग हैव टू, सपोज टू और ऑट टू।
अच्छा, ये सपोज जो होता है ना, यानी सपोज अरस है, इसी के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है।
उसको बनाया भी, आप देखिएगा, आज अपलोड कर दूंगा उसको, उस पर काम कर ही रहा था।
अच्छा, ये तो मुझे वैसे समझाइए कि ये जो आप बोलते हो सपोज यानी अर्ज, ये है इसी के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं।
उस वीडियो को देखना, आप समझ में आएगा।
सही है। बहरहाल टू के साथ ये मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है ना, इसलिए मैं आपको बोल, जब सपोज तुम बोलते हैं ना, सपोज इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्कूल, सपोज इफ यू वांट टू ईट समथिंग, सपोज if you want to drink water, suppose, ये सपोज जो शुरू में आता है उसका मैं पूछ रहा हूँ। वो सपोज टू आएगा उसका मीनिंग?
नहीं, वो सपोज तो होता है मानो की, जैसे कि मानते हैं अपन, जैसे सपोज यू आर ए डॉक्टर, तो सपोज चलो मानते हैं कि आप एक डॉक्टर हो, इसका मतलब ये है।
अच्छा, ये मुझे नहीं पता था।
सपोज
मैंने बोला अरस है कि आप एक डॉक्टर है, मैं ये
अर्ज नहीं है। सपोज आप एक डॉक्टर हो, चलो मान लेते हैं आप एक डॉक्टर हो, इसका मतलब ये।
अच्छा, सही है। और टू लगेगा, वो तुमने वीडियो बनाया, वो मैं देखूंगा।
वो बनाया भी तो आप देख, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड दैट वीडियो आल्सो। आज की रिकॉर्डिंग भी कर दूंगा अपलोड, ठीक है?
आज हो जाएगी?
हाँ, आई होप कि आज करूंगा। थोड़ा टाइम लगता है बट आई विल डू इट।
ओके। और कभी कभी अगर मैं आपके साथ एक सेंटेंस शेयर करूं तो उसका जवाब मिलेगा मुझे?
हाँ,
अगर
मैं स्काइप, जब मैं फ्री होऊंगा
वही ना, अगर मैं एक सेंटेंस का आपको लिख के दे दूं और आप, मैं उसको बोलूंगा कि इसमें मुझे डाउट है, तो फिर आप मुझे जवाब दे सकते हैं ना? उसका
जवाब दे सकते हैं, लेकिन जब आप पूछो, हो सकता है उस टाइम मैं फ्री नहीं हूँ,
तो एक दिन के बाद भी दे दे, कोई मसला नहीं।
नो प्रॉब्लम, तो चलेगा।
ओके, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान में अगर नेट सही ना हो तो चलो मैं एक आध सेंटेंस जो होगा उसका अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं तो आप मुझे मेरे हेल्प करेगा, और किसी के ऊपर मेरे यकीन नहीं है, मैं किसी से नहीं पूछता हूँ।
No, you can ask me, no problem.
ओके, क्योंकि आप मेरे साथ व्हाट्सएप पे भी है, मेरे पास साथ है, व्हाट्सएप में भी मैं आपको मैसेज,
व्हाट्सएप पे भी पूछ सकते हो, इस पे भी पूछ सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम। पर स्काइप पे पूछो तो बेटर है, राइट?
चलो ठीक है, स्काइप पे
ना, स्काइप पे पूछ लीजिए।
ठीक है, तो हम तो वहां जा रहे बाहर हालात के लिए, तो कुछ अगर इधर होता तो कोई तोहफा लेके आता। बाहर हालात तो बहुत दूर है ना, पाकिस्तान से कोई गिफ्ट लेके आता आपके लिए, अगर आप यहाँ सऊदीया में होते तो। आप तो इंडिया।
नो प्रॉब्लम, इफ यू लर्न गुड इंग्लिश, दिस इज माय गिफ्ट।
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
So see you again. I hope all the best.
Inshallah, see you.
Enjoy your vacation with your family.
Thank you very much.
और सबको घर में आप मेरी तरफ से सलाम बोलिए सबको, ठीक है?
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Good.